Question 4. In a right angle triangle, the two sides which form the right angle are 16 cm by 12 cm respectively. How many such triangles are needed to form the smallest possible square? Now, this is a logic question again. So, looking at a triangle, we know that obviously we have to form something more squarish. So, let's try to form a rectangle. So, this is 12 by 16. This is a small rectangle that we form. Now, if we want to form a square, the sides have to be the same. How will we do that? Looking at this, we have to find a common multiple of 16 and 12, because we're gonna form a square where this 12 will multiply and add up and become a multiple of 16. So let's try this out. 12, 16, 32, 48, 64, 12, 24, 36, 48. The closest multiple, the lowest common multiple will be 48. So how do we get 48 from 12? So we must have another one here, another one here, and another one here. Okay, so I have 12, 12, 12, 12. How about here? I have to form up one here, one here. And there I have my square, 16, 16. Square. So how many triangles do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3 rows, 24. This figure is made of two squares, A and B. The ratio of the square A to B is 1:4. The shaded part is 1/5 of square A. What fraction of the whole figure is shaded? Now, when I look at this, I know that shaded A to unshaded A is 1:2. Normally we'll immediately write 5. But look at this. 5 units here is for square A, the whole of square A, which is the total. So total minus 1, I'll get 4. This is the total. So my total number of units is 5. Now, you'll find that there is something common here. Something is the same, and that is A here and this. In order to make them the same, I'll multiply this ratio by 5. What do I get? 5:20. Aha! I have pretty much solved this problem because I know that 1 unit of A is shaded. And then, if that's the case, 4 units of A is unshaded. This is 1U. And I know whole of B is 20U. So the unshaded part of B will be 19U, because 20 minus 1. What fraction of the whole figure is shaded? Total units will be 1U plus 19U plus 4U. I will get 24U. Fraction 1 out of 24. Moving on. Question 6. Zen have a piece of rectangular paper. He cut away 1/9 of the breadth and 2/5 of the length. Then he measured the remaining piece of rectangular paper. He found the breadth to be 16 and the length to be 15. Find the area of the original piece of paper. Rather easy question, because for the breadth, he cut 1U away and he's left with 8U because the total is 9. For the length, he cut away. Now, because I'm using U here, I don't want to confuse myself, so I'll use parts here. 2 parts. And he's left with 5 minus 2, 3 parts. Obviously, what is left will be this. Breath, 8U equals to 16 cm. 1U, 16 cm divided by 8 equals to 2 cm. Originally, 1 plus 8, 9U. Okay, that's pretty easy. Next, what is left is 3 parts. So 3 parts is 15 cm. 1 part is 15 divided by 3, 5 cm. Total, I have 5 parts. So 5 times 5 cm equals to 25 cm. Last set of working, 25 times 18 will give me, oops, sorry, forgot my cms, equals to 18 times 25, 450 cm square. Now, as you realize, once we enter question 6 onwards, the units are left out. Always ensure your units are written. Ta-da! Okay, simple. Question 7. The table below shows the rates for water consumption. Find the amount paid for 50 cubic meters of water used. If 7% GST is imposed on the total amount, how much is the GST correct to the nearest 10 cent? Now, 50 cubic meters. First 20 cubic meters is going to cost 133 per meter square. So let's write that down first. First 20 meter cube, 1.33 times 20 equals to 226.60. Always remember, because we are using dollars, always add the 0 behind. Second 20 meter cube, $1.46 times 20 equals to $29.20. Now, for the last part, 20 plus 20, 40. 50 minus 40, 10. I need the last 10 meter cube. It costs $1.73. For this 10 equals to $17.30. Answer will be simple. I simply add this up. 2660 plus 2920 plus 1730 equals to $73.10. So that's my first answer. Always remember your dollar sign. Now, how much is the GST? GST is 7%. So 7% times $73.10 equals to $5.117. Now, they ask for you to round off the nearest 10 cents. So I want this rounded off. Taking this one, do we round up or down? We round down. So two wavy line to indicate that it's an estimate, approximation, 5.10. So that's my answer.